Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're a photography and videography enthusiast, buckle up because we have some exciting news. Sony is on the brink of making a groundbreaking announcement, and all indications suggest that the long-anticipated Sony A7V is finally on its way. With leaks and rumors running wild, the buzz around this hybrid powerhouse is stronger than ever. Speculation hints at a potential launch as early as March 2025, and today, we're diving deep into all the details about what could be the next game-changing camera in Sony's lineup. Let's get started. Sony A7V. What we know so far. The Sony A7 IV, which debuted in December 2021, set new industry benchmarks for hybrid mirrorless cameras. It boasted a 33-megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, Bion's XR processor, and 759 phase detection autofocus points covering 94% of the frame, making it an exceptional choice for both still photographers and videographers. Not to mention, it featured 4K 30fps oversampled from 7K and 4K 60fps in Super 35 crop mode, delivering stunning video quality that catered to content creators at all levels. Fast forward to 2025, and the Sony A7V is expected to take things up a notch. Based on leaks, this next-generation hybrid camera could retain the 33MP sensor but introduce major improvements in low-light performance, color accuracy, and dynamic range. Enhanced real-time tracking and AI-powered autofocus may make it a dream camera for wildlife and sports photographers, offering more precision and reliability than ever before. Sony A7V. Rumored features and upgrades. Here's what the leaks are pointing to. Upgraded 33MP BSI CMOS sensor. Sony may refine the sensor technology, improving ISO performance for cleaner images in low-light conditions. Next-gen autofocus system. Expect an even more advanced real-time tracking system, enhanced subject recognition, and AI-driven improvements for smoother focus transitions. 6K oversampling for 4K video. This means sharper footage with superior detail, a must-have feature for videographers. 4K 120fps video recording. Slow motion at 120fps in full 4K resolution, pushing the limits of cinematic content creation. 8 stops of in-body stabilization. An upgraded stabilization system may allow handheld shooting without the need for gimbals, making it ideal for vloggers and mobile filmmakers. Improved battery efficiency. A longer-lasting battery could ensure extended shooting sessions, reducing downtime on set. Price range. Rumored to fall between $2,500 to $2,800, making it a competitive offering in the full-frame mirrorless camera market. Sony recently registered a camera model with the Wireless Certification Agency, which usually precedes an official release by 2 to 3 months, further fueling speculation that the A7 versus arrival is imminent. Sony A7R6. The high-resolution powerhouse? Alongside the A7V, rumors suggest that Sony is also preparing to unveil the Sony A7R6, the successor to the widely acclaimed A7RV. If leaks are accurate, this high-resolution mirrorless camera could be packing an astonishing 100MP full-frame sensor, making it one of the most detailed cameras ever produced. The A7RV already wowed photographers with its 60MP BSI CMOS sensor, AI-assisted autofocus, and 8K video capabilities. However, the A7R6 is expected to redefine the limits of high-resolution photography. Here's what we could be looking at. 100MP full-frame sensor. Designed for those who need unparalleled image detail, ideal for landscape, portrait, and commercial photography. Stacked CMOS sensor technology. Faster readout speeds could minimize rolling shutter distortion, making it perfect for action photography. Higher frame rate 8K video. While the A7RV captured 8K at 24fps, the A7R6 could push higher frame rates with improved heat management, enhanced autofocus and AI tracking. Expect improvements in subject recognition, making it effortless to track fast-moving objects. Superior in-body stabilization. If Sony enhances its stabilization tech, the A7R6 could offer ultra-smooth handheld shots, even at 100MP resolution. Rugged weather-sealed build. Designed to withstand harsh conditions, ensuring reliability in extreme environments. Potential price tag. With its flagship specs, the A7R6 could be priced upwards of $3,500, positioning it as an elite professional tool. Which camera is right for you? While both the A7V and A7R6 promise groundbreaking features, they cater to different audiences. The A7V is expected to be the ultimate hybrid mirrorless camera, balancing photography and videography seamlessly. If you need a camera that excels in both photo and video, this might be your best bet. The A7R6, on the other hand, is tailored for professionals craving ultra-high-resolution images. If your work involves commercial, studio, or landscape photography, the rumored 100MP sensor makes it a powerhouse in detailed image capture. Sony's 2025 camera strategy. What's next? Sony has long dominated the mirrorless camera market, consistently pushing the boundaries of sensor technology, autofocus precision, and video capabilities. If these rumors hold, 2025 could be a pivotal year for Sony, reinforcing its leadership in the photography industry. With the A7V and A7R6 potentially launching in the next few months, Sony fans and professionals alike are eagerly awaiting official confirmation. Whether you're a content creator, vlogger, professional filmmaker, or commercial photographer, these cameras could redefine your creative workflow. So what do you think? Are you more excited about the A7 versus hybrid performance or the A7R-VI's high-resolution capabilities? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Techno Trend Zone for all the latest updates in the world of photography, videography, and cutting-edge camera tech.